Hello and welcome to our solar LoRa node build video. We purchased these items from Amazon and we'll put an affiliate link in the comments if you want to build one yourself. We went with this particular box because of its size and its affordable price. It came with stainless steel mounting hardware as well as some cable glands that we won't use for this project but we'll save for something else. Maybe a high-capacity battery box build? Leave a comment about what projects you would like to see us take on. We are always up for learning new things. That's the whole point of this channel. The critical bit is the mounting plate inside the enclosure where we will attach the radio and other markings on the front panel will soon be sanded and painted. The box is big, but that's okay. There will be plenty of space to work and install all the components. As an experiment, we are going to install a waterproof USB fitting on the bottom of the node so we can charge the unit without opening the hatch. And in order to keep this node running for longer periods of time, we are installing a small solar panel to help keep the battery charged. These WizBlock radios are very power efficient, so this small panel should provide enough recharging power. Affiliate link to all of the parts purchased on Amazon below. Using a piece of acrylic, we made an intermediary mounting plate that will attach the radio to the enclosure plate. A bit clumsy, but the holes on the WizBlock do not align with the holes in the mounting plate, so we need an intermediary piece. Maybe this will also help with dissipating heat. But there isn't any real heat, so we are just making excuses now. With the limited space inside the enclosure, it is important to try out the fit of all the components that you plan to put in. We got these little plastic standoffs to use and they work well for attaching the plates. We did end up trimming off the protruding bits on the back of the radio so that it would sit flush with clear acrylic plate. Always attach the antennas before powering on the radio. The radio could be damaged if you do not. Using an LED screen and some DuPont jumpers, we can test the radio and set it up on our phone using Bluetooth. With the radio set up, we can finish drilling the holes for the USB-C fitting and the waterproof N-type antenna connector. We went with an inch in and an inch up to clear the inner plate and give us enough space to install the antenna. We used a Forstner bit, but a hole saw would work just as well. Using a small piece of sticky back Velcro, we can attach the battery to the side wall, so it is not knocking around inside the enclosure. We mark off the center of the door and prepare the surface for gluing the panel in place. It would have been smarter to paint after everything was mounted. Oh well, next time. Thank you for watching.